Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super soothing and on trend. Soft pastel interior designs. Pastels are making a huge comeback in 2025, but not in the child's nursery way you might think. Designers are using them in grown-up, elegant and deeply calming ways. Whether you are planning a room refresh, decorating your first home or just looking for inspiration, this video will give you the lowdown on the latest pastel decor trends, color combos, materials, and styling tips. Why pastel are trending again? So, why are pastel back and booming in 2025? Here are three big reasons. Number one, calm and wellness. Soft pastel hues like blush pink, lavender, powder blue, and mint green are using to create calming, serene spaces. They are especially popular in bedrooms, homes, offices, and bathrooms where tranquility is key. Number two, soft minimalism. Designers are combining minimalist layout with gentle pastel tones to avoid the sterility of pure white or gray. This trend sometimes casts soft modern pairs functional furniture with cozy pastel touches. Number three, emotional designs. There is a move toward emotional comfort in home design. Soft pastel contribute to a sense of grounding and harmony, especially when combined with natural materials. Color palettes and popular shades. Right, let's talk about which pastel colors are trending right now and how are they used in the decor. Blush pink. This muted rosy shade is still super popular. It's so romantic and works beautifully on walls, soft furnishings, or even small accent pieces. Mint green or sage. These greens are being called the nature neutral. They blend well with natural wood, linen and woven texture. Lavender or lilac. A gentle touch of purple brings sophistication and calm. It's being used both as a wall color and in textiles. Soft butter yellow. Think of buttery creamy yellows, not bright neon, or warm and inviting pastels that are trending in 2025. Pastel earthy tones. Soft terracotta, dusty peach and muted corals are being used in combination with earthy textures to give warmth. These palettes aren't just floating solo. Designers are layering and mixing them for depth and harmony. Materials and textures and styling. Color is only part of the story. How you apply it matters just as such. Here's what is trending in materials and styling. Textured fabric. Buckle, chunky knit, rose, linen curtains. These tactile fabric pair beautifully with pastels. They prevent the colors from feeling too washed out or flat. Natural elements. Wood, especially light wood, woven rugs, rattan. Mixing pastel colors with organic textures gives a warm, grounded vibe. Layering shades. Rather than using a single pastel shade flat, designers are layering different tints of the same hue. For example, a wall sage furniture and mint-toned accessories. Scalloped or ombre walls. One of the more playful trends, scalloped edges in pastel tones or soft ombre transitions on walls to create a dreamy, whimsical feel. Metallic accents. Pastels and rose gold, brass or soft copper fixtures create a subtle but elegant contrast. These metals bring warmth and sophistication. Also, the coquette aesthetics is a soft pastel favorite right now. Think lace, bows, delicate patterns and vintage-inspired furniture. Combining pastels with other trends. Soft pastels aren't going solo. They are being mixed with other big design trends to create fresh, balanced and interior. Pastel and earthy tones. Pastels are being paired with rich earthy colors, terracotta, olive, green, mocha to create quiet luxury spaces with a sense of warmth. Biophilic design, bringing in plants, green walls and organic shapes is very complementary to pastel palettes, especially greens like sage. Layered lighting. Designers are using different layers of lights, ambient accent tones to highlight pastel tones and create mood. Sustainability in materials. With the rising emphasis on eco-conscious design, pastel interiors are often paired with recycled fabrics or natural low VOC paints. Where to use pastels? Wondering where to apply these soft pastel trends? Here are some of the most popular use cases. Bedrooms and nurseries, perfect for pastel walls or bedding to create restful, calming environments. Living rooms, use pastel sofas, armchairs or accent walls. Layer with textured rugs and pastel art. Home offices, soft blues, mint greens, ideas for keeping the space light and focused but not sterile. Bathrooms, tiles or pastel accented accessories, towels, soap dispensers can make a bathroom feel spa-like. Kitchen, light pastel cabinets or backsplashes, especially butter yellow or mint, bring a cheerful yet soft vibe. Tips for incorporating pastels smartly. Here are some pro tips if you want to bring pastels into your space without overdoing it. If you are hesitant, try pastel accents through pillows, vases or lamps. Use white, beige or greige to ground pastel tones so they don't overwhelm. Soft pastels and tactile fabrics, cozy but stylish. Rather than just one pastel hue, lay different shades of pastel colors. Add a few deeper or earthy tones to create visual interest. LED lights or lamps in rosy or blue pastel tones can subtly reinforce the theme. Choose matte or satin finishes to keep pastel walls soft and not too shiny. So to wrap up, soft pastel interiors are definitely having a moment in 2025, but it's not just about pretty colors. It's about creating spaces that feel grounded, calm and emotionally connected. By combining these hues with natural materials, rich textures, layered lighting and thoughtful accents, you can build a pastel home that's both sophisticated and deeply comforting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more interior design inspiration and let me know in the comment which pastel shade are you loving most right now. Is it bluish pink, sage green, lavender or something else entirely? Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay inspired.